Eh? Now you cook or I cook? Nah. Go.
I try my best.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Anne, and today I'm here for a cooking challenge with HomeCookd. As many of my friends know that I'm always very busy and I'm really a noob at cooking. So right beside me, I have Chef Alvin Leong.
Actually, this is designed for the busy, schedule people like you. Everything packed in a box. Just open the plastic bag.
Okay.
Put inside a griller, put inside a bowl sauce. That's it.
Nice.
So Chef, what are we cooking today?
We are cooking Komoyang. Komoyang is actually a grilled pork salad.
Okay.
You can see this one. We prepare
Pork.
marinated pork with pork jaw. We have this salad. We have this grated peanut and the sauce. So if you don't know how to cook, no worry. We prepare the recipe card for you. Now I already prepared another set for you. Pick up the pork. Which part first?
The white part first.
What is the white
because the fats will melt into the oil, right?
Ah, so clever So we just do the salad first.
Okay.
Now pour the green mango into a big bowl.
Okay.
Sauce, everything. And put all the peanut. And now just keep aside and look at your
Let's
pork.
continue.
Just nice. You can turn now. Wow, 漂亮.
Wow, very nice the color.
你看
Wow.
don't know how to cook, also cook until so nice. So just try to press a little bit.
Okay.
Oh,
To let the
To
heat
get the
distribute
heat,
evenly lah.
yeah, so clever. You say you don't know how to cook?
I know the theory. Wow, it looks so delicious. Can we eat now?
Of course, like. Ka. Cannot lah, you cut nicely ma. Your 5-star standard leh. I think I cut 2 times like that.
Wow.
You see the meat? Wow. Juicy leh. Standard one.
Wow.
Okay. Sweet. Okay, another 2 pieces you cut.
Okay, I try.
Make sure the presentation is there. If cannot fail.
Yay! We are done with the cooking. Wow, looks so awesome. I can't wait to try it already.
Let's eat.
真的很入味。It's really very tender and it's still very juicy. Wow, so home cooked is really very perfect for people like me who are busy and always on the go. So chef, what kinds of other dishes do you have?
Yeah, we have created Asian dishes, Western dishes, even modern dishes like Assam curry mackerel. It's one of our favorite. Grilled chicken breast in Western style, or stir-fried kopi C beef in our menu. Everyone can be a master chef at home.
It is also very affordable, fresh, and it tastes just like home-cooked meals. Also, don't forget to check out their website for a wide variety of dishes. Till next time!
Bye.
Bye.